Hey, this is J.R. Feland out here with Rio Bravo. Hey, just wanted to give you a little funny piece of cowboy poetry to start off your week. This cowboy poem is called "The Two Things in Life I Really Love" by Gary McMahon. So here's how it goes. The two things in life I really love are women and horses. Of this I'm sure of. So when I die, please tan my hide and tool me into a saddle so fine. Then give me to a cowgirl who loves to ride, so that in the hereafter, when I'm laid to rest, I might be between the two things that I love best. Hey, hope you enjoyed that cowboy poetry. We're doing some leadership workshops out here, half day and full day leadership workshops. Hope to have you come out and enjoy some horse riding, some cowboy poetry. You can come out to our place and do the workshops, or I can come to your place of work and do the workshops, or we're doing virtual events also. We'll leave you some details here at the end of the video with all that. But what our goal is with this is to show you some horse training exercises and how those things can help kind of open your mind to some different ways to lead people and some better ways to lead people. Hope you enjoy. Sadly, Rio probably wouldn't be going with me to your place of work though, or whatever. So sorry, Rio, you don't get to go with us. Thanks, guys.